Struggling to keep your colored hair vibrant and healthy? You're not alone. Many shampoos strip away color and natural oils, leaving hair dry and damaged. What if there was a shampoo designed specifically to restore your hair's health while preserving that fresh-from-the-salon color? Meet Color Fixation Restorative Shampoo, a 100% vegan, cruelty-free formula that cares for your hair every day without harsh chemicals or stripping lather. I've seen firsthand how this shampoo transforms damaged, color-treated hair. Unlike typical shampoos that foam aggressively and rob your hair of essential oils, this gentle cleanser uses mild surfactants derived from coconut. That means it cleanses without stripping, letting your natural oils work their magic. The real game changers? Capua seed butter and burati fruit oil from the Amazon rainforest, packed with nourishing vitamins and oils that breathe life back into tired strands. After coloring, I always pair it with Surya Brazil's Color Fixation Restorative Conditioner and their natural henna color for touch-ups. It's a routine that keeps my hair soft, vibrant, and healthy. What you get is more than just clean hair. This shampoo supports your hair's natural integrity, helping maintain color longer and reducing the need for heavy conditioners or masks. It's lightweight, gentle, and perfect for daily use. Plus, it's free from animal ingredients and never tested on animals, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your scalp. If you're ready to treat your hair with care that truly makes a difference, this shampoo is worth a look. Try it when you're ready. Your hair will thank you.